Hey friends, I got a question to ask you. Do you remember as a kid, if you're maybe over 50, we used to be able to buy these dreamsicles. And oh my goodness, they were so good. It was like vanilla ice cream on the middle, and then it was like they dipped it in some kind of orange sherbet or something like that. But they were good. Did you remember eating those, Eddie?
Never heard of them.
You never heard of them. That's because you live in.
Dreamsicle? I'm just kidding.
Oh, you're kidding me. I thought in New Hampshire they don't have stuff like that. You remember them, don't you, Teresa?
Yes. Actually, I've got some in my freezer right now.
Oh, you got some in your freezer? Well, us at Paula Deen, at Cooking with Paula Deen magazine, has come up with a dreamsicle pie. So you're going to want some of this, because let me tell you something. Have you ever made anything with a pretzel crust? My Brooke, Jamie's wife, every Christmas makes a strawberry pretzel salad, and it's so good. The salt from the pretzel with the sweet from the Jell-O and the cream cheese. Oh, it's just so good. Well, I've got pretzels that we ran through the food processor. And I've got sugar. And I've got melted butter. So we're just going to stir this together. And we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for a minute. So it will get hard. And will turn into a crust that you can actually slice. Okay, we got that mixed up good. So now we're going to spray a deep dish pie pan. We're going to press this into our dish. And up the sides. We're going to try to do it up the sides as well. And like I said, we're going to put this in the oven for about 10 minutes. And it's going to become like a hard crust. Yay, when we can cut. Okay, our pretzel crust has cooled. I don't know where it is, but it's cooled. All right, now this is our melted orange sherbet ice cream. And Teresa just set it out on the porch in that beautiful sunshine. And it melted in a flash. All right, I grated the zest from another orange. And we're just going to put that in there. It's going to give it, another kick of orange flavor. And the recipe, y'all, calls for 2 8-ounce cartons of frozen whipped topping. But y'all know I'm just not into frozen whipped topping. So I have here real whipped cream that has been sweetened. And I've calculated that 1 cup of whipping cream sweetened would equal 1 8-ounce carton of the frozen whipped topping. So I did 2. Now I'm going to take half of this and fold it in. And that looks like an orange dreamsicle to me, doesn't it, y'all? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, just fold, fold. Oh, look at that beautiful stuff. So if you want to, feel free to use the frozen whipped topping if you prefer. It'll make one easier little step, but to me, the reward. Teresa, come stick a spoon in this. Tastes just like a dreamsicle. Eddie, since you've never heard of a dreamsicle, joke, joke, joke. Tell me if that tastes like.
What's in your freezer?
Yeah, if it's like what's in your freezer.
You were worried it wasn't going to be sweet enough. That's great.
Uh-huh. Beautiful. And when we bite into this salty crust with that sweet orange, it's going to be incredible. Incredible. All right, so we still have half of our sweetened whipped cream, and we will dollop that on as I slice and serve. And you'll find in the video following this, you'll find that I have shown you how to make sugared orange peels. Yum. So in the freezer, this goes for about 4 hours. Ooh, look, y'all. This is Evan with some good stuff. Look at this dreamsicle pie, y'all. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And I see some more crumbs. And I want those salty pretzel crumbs. Ooh, and after I made this, I shared with y'all how to make orange rinds. Sweetened candied rinds. Look how pretty. See, I love things like this to garnish with. Isn't that pretty? Oh, but I got to put the whipped cream on top of it first. I forgot that. Now, rather than freezing the whole pie with it frosted, I'm not going to do that, y'all. I'm going to serve it with a dollop of, where did I put, oh, there they are. I'm going to just serve it with a dollop of fresh cream. Wow. Look at that. I'm rolling back. I'm rolling back to the 50s, y'all. Oh my gosh. It is so good. And that candied orange rind is delicious. So yummy, y'all. Perfect Father's Day dessert or Saturday dessert. It is delicious. So I'm going to keep on sending y'all that love and those best dishes. Enjoy.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.